Okay, Mr. Evans, here's your new office, phone and stone.
How can you see down there?
We didn't feel like spending the money, so we just
Can you see down here?
Stolen? Isn't that wrong?
Can you see my finger?
Support a company
Are you blind?
hardware, business software,
Melinda's blind.
confidentially report
Very blind. She can't see a finger.
and you may be open to get paid.
Can you see my finger now? So blind people ain't that blind, huh? So apparently blind people aren't really that blind.
Gingivitis. Correct. Netflix lets you watch unlimited TV episodes instantly through your what?
The game console.
Oh yeah, about earlier I just pointed my finger at Lynn's
Instantly through your game console.
dildo. Nothing.
Nah.
Lynn's pussycat.
Usually expensive and results took weeks. Now, Identigene offers
Where is it?
What if it's Kamala right here?
confidential.
And Lynn saw that.
I'd be like, bravo!
When she said she was blind. She said bravo.
Go to Identigene.com. Look for Identigene at the drugstore. Identigene.
Lynn saw it. Bravo!